Nigeria is a country blessed with numerous resources.
Join me experience Naija.
The most popular tourist attraction in Akoko town is the Oke Maria Hill. Oke Maria, which can be translated literally as Mary's Hill, is a hill where an unconfirmed apparition of the Virgin Mary occurred around the year 1916. It now serves as an holy site, attracting a lot of tourists and worshippers who come there daily to pray. Locals believe prayers offered at Oke Maria Hill come to pass, and they hold regular worship services there. Every February, the hill plays host to a national pilgrimage, which is dedicated to paying homage to the Virgin Mary. The Oke Maria Hill provides attractive scenery for visitors and tourists to the area. Awka town is located in Akoko Southwest Local Government Area, which is about 113 kilometers away northeast of Akure, the Ondo state capital. The journey to the top of the hill takes about 8 minutes to walk from the foot where the road began, with no designated resting spots. Some steps have been carved into the rock at the very steep areas to ease ascension and prevent stumbling, while an ordinary footpath is used to navigate the relatively flat surfaces. The Roman Catholic mission has occupied one of these hills for some time, and this hill is labeled St. Mary's Hill, and there is a Catholic shrine dedicated to the Virgin Mary. The parish priest oversees all activities within and around Oke Maria Hill, and also ensures the hill and the area surrounding it are not left untidy. A statue of the Virgin Mary is conspicuously erected on the top of the hill. Christians of different denominations visit this resort in the second week of February every year. It is estimated that over 500,000 pilgrims visit this center yearly. Aside the statue of Mary, a huge white cross made of concrete can also be seen atop the hill. The view from this spot is breathtaking, as the entire Awka town can be seen. This St. Mary's Hill was spotted in 1916 by Reverend Father Sermina, and the beautiful Virgin Mary statue was donated by the family of Dr. Olivomi.